What is marketing funnel and how can coaches, trainers, consultants can use marketing funnel to their advantage to generate leads and build a thriving business? Let's get started. Marketing funnel is a visual path your customers take from first getting to know you until they convert. Simply put, it is a customer value journey. Building a predictable and successful marketing strategy is based on the customer value journey and the marketing funnel. So if you do not know what is customer value journey, then I would like you to look into the other videos where I explain about the customer value journey, what is the 8-step process, and why it is so important to build marketing strategy and a successful predictable marketing system. Many people wish to go for 4-step process in the marketing funnel, okay? So which is attention, interest, desire, and action. But I truly feel that's where the divorce happened. Why do I say divorce all of a sudden? Because, you're building a relationship with your customer. After they becoming the client, if you don't take care, everything falls off. Just like any relationship. For that example, marriage. If you do not take care after the commitment is given, then everything falls off. So this is where I believe the 8-step process is very important. And 8-step process involves awareness, engagement, subscription, which is top of the funnel. We'll talk about top of the funnel in a minute. And the next stage is convert, excite, and ascend, which is middle of the funnel. And the last stage is advocate and promote, that is bottom of the funnel. So top of the funnel indicates all your content marketing, inbound marketing, referrals, trade shows, events, SEO, SEM, the white paper downloads or the PR online, advertisement videos, your direct mail, viral campaigns, and your social media campaigns. All of this goes into top of the funnel marketing. So awareness, engagement, subscription happens in these 3 stages, and you are talking to a cold market. So when you're talking to a cold market, all your copy, all the content that you write, it is different. Understand this in a segment wise, okay? Top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel. So the top of the funnel is focused on awareness. What's the word? Awareness, okay? So all that we can do to get awareness and engagement is done on top of the funnel. But that awareness and the copy has to lead to the next one, middle of the funnel. So this is where all your one-to-one sessions, trials, demonstrations, and the actual sale that happens on the middle of the funnel. Middle of the funnel is all your content, like your blogs, the white papers, the video, mini courses, or a drip campaigns, or a drip emails, newsletters, ebooks, webinars, all of this, and even one-to-one consultation, all of this goes into a middle of the funnel. Once people engage in middle of the funnel and they find value, what's the word? Value, then they actually move to the bottom of the funnel where they become your customers and advocates. Customers and advocates, of course, they are actually experiencing your product and they're happy with their purchase and value for the money that they have offered you. You need to map out every step of the customer journey in marketing funnel so your customers can experience a smooth transition. That's the objective of the marketing funnel. And what's the objective for a business owner is to have a predictable outcome. Mapping out the marketing funnel will actually give you a very predictable numbers, which is very important for business. How much money are you investing on advertisement? What are we projecting and what are we expecting? And how can you test even before you go on spending more? So these are the numbers which is very important. And what happens in bottom of the funnel? Sometimes people invest a lot of money on advertisements and they see there is no good conversion. So funnel helps you map out where and what went wrong for you to fix it. If you cannot have a predictable path, then if you just creating content and if you just going to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Google, spending online advertisements and expecting results without having a marketing funnel, I'm very sorry to say you will be losing a lot of money. You need to have predictable marketing system, marketing funnel in order for you to have the right results and to also improvise on get better results. We will talk more about marketing funnels and what's its benefit, what the types of marketing funnel and so on. and so forth in the next video. Until then, stay awesome and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions you want me to explain more in detail, you can comment your challenges. So definitely I will be making a video on your comments and your questions. Thank you so much and have a great time.